At number 3, we have the Breville Super Q BBL 920 BTR. The Super Q delivers exceptional blending power with its 1800-watt motor reaching speeds up to 186 miles per hour. This commercial-grade blender operates quietly thanks to noise suppression technology, making it suitable for home use. The unit features 12 speed settings and 5 one-touch programs for smoothies, frozen desserts, soups, and ice crushing. Its 68-ounce main jug and included personal blending cup are both recognized by the Intelligent Base for optimized performance. The blender excels at creating smooth textures for everything from nut butters to frozen drinks, with consistent results. The package includes practical accessories like a tamper and scraper tool. Cleanup is simplified with a dedicated cleaning program and dishwasher-safe components. The sturdy construction is backed by a 10-year motor warranty. While the 17.95-inch height may require consideration for counter placement, the retractable power cord aids in storage.